Okay, remember that in math, we have one homework. The homework is to study the table of 8 and 9. Tomorrow I'm going to add the tables. So you should study today the tables if you haven't studied. Now be ready with your book and notebook. With your notebook, we're going to work on the notebook. The notebook, we're going to continue working with subtracting whole numbers. So this is the topic. You can write it down. If you haven't decorated the second partial, you have to do it. Remember, we are in the second partial in math also. So subtracting whole numbers, that's a topic. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to decorate and to write the topic. Okay, while you are writing, I'm going to take the attendance. Ana, Andrea. Ana, it's here. Andrea, no yet. Camila.
Present.
Ana, excellent. Camila, Gabriela.
Present.
Perfect. Isabela, Kiara.
Present.
Lucia, Mia.
Present.
Lucia is here. Mia, yes. Rebecca.
Present.
Rosa. Rosa. It's not connected yet. Okay. Valerie, Sijan.
Present.
Excellent. Alberto, Johnny.
Present. Present.
Perfect. Fernando, Hermes.
Present.
Great. Joshua, Caleb.
Present.
Present. Marcelo, Santiago Hernández.
Present.
Santiago Hernández. Santiago Chávez. Okay. Excellent.
Present.
Excellent. Did you finish the copy, class? Subtracting whole numbers in your notebook? No?
No.
10 seconds to finish. Remember that we're going to continue subtracting. When we're subtracting, we need to remember the place value chart, where they are located, if the subtraction needs to regroup the numbers or without regrouping. So that is basically what we need to remember when we're subtracting. If the number is located on the tens, on the ones, on the tens, on the hundreds, thousands, and so on. And if we need to ask to the next number to regroup. Okay, Mia, you finished. Now let's go to the next one. I'm going to write the topic up so you can write it down, subtracting whole numbers. If you finish, copy this, please. I'm going to write the topic here. Remember, the topic is subtracting whole numbers. As a topic. Copy all these exercises. You are going to copy and solve it. We're going to copy and find the answer. We're going to subtract. The first one, we're going to do it together. We're going to do it together. And then I'm going to ask some of you to share the answers. I'm going to choose some of you to help me to solve. Remember that when we're subtracting, we start with the ones. So we look for the ones. Remember the 5, in this case, the first one, we have 47,800, write the commas because the commas are missing. 835 minus 2,451. So we're going to subtract first 5 minus 1.
That is 4.
That is 4, that's right. I'm going to write 4 here. So we write the answer. Then are the numbers that we're subtracting. In this case, the 1. 5 minus 1, it's 4. So we continue with the tens and we say 3 minus 5. Can we subtract 3 minus 5?
Yeah, no.
No. So what we need to do?
Pedir prestado.
That's right. We're going to ask to borrow to the next number. So we're going to regroup. So number 8 is going to give 1 to the 10. So we're going to regroup. It's not going to be 3. It's going to become which number?
8.
To become
4.
13. And number 8, it's going to be
18.
7. Number 8
7.
is going to be 7. No more 8 because he gets 1 to number 3. So it's 13 and number 8, we subtract 1, it's going to be 7. Now we subtract 13 minus 5.
8.
That's right. So we write 8 here. 8 down the next number that we are subtracting, that is the 10. 13 minus 5 equal 8. We continue. 7 minus 4. Can we subtract 7 minus 4?
No.
Yes.
Yes, Valerie, that's right. What is the
Yes,
answer?
3.
7 minus 4.
3.
It's 3. 3, that's right. We can subtract 7. It's bigger than 4. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Excellent. We write the comma. Write the comma here. And then we continue with the next number. 7 minus 2. What's the answer of 7 minus 2?
5.
5. That's right. So we do not need to recoup 5. And 4 minus 0.
4.
It's 4. 4 minus 0. Remember that this space that you see here, it's 0. It is a 0. So 4 minus 0, it's 4. We just copied the number 4. And our answer is 45,384. That's the answer for our subtraction. The same we're going to do in the next. Remember to write the comma where it's supposed to be the comma. Questions about subtraction, subtracting whole numbers.
Easy.
Easy? Okay. I'm going to give you 5 minutes, 5 minutes to solve, to copy and solve, and then I'm going to choose some of you to give me the answers, okay?
No. No, fine. No. Un poquito.
So you need to work on this. All of you work. Try by yourself. And if you have any questions, ask.
Teacher,
Tell me, Marcelo.
cuando cambiamos el número, tenemos que escribirlo aún así el número.
When we change like this, number 3, and it become 13. Yes.
Yo lo cambié al número que está bien.
Yes, Rebecca. Yes, Marcelo, you need to cross, so in this way you can use another color. You know that
Yo
number 3
lo
number 3 is 13.
escribí usando el número de arriba.
Okay, that's right, 13. But you do this, copy exactly like it is here. So you know why it's 13 and why it's 7.
Miss, and the commas.
The commas, yes, you need to write the comma, Then I'm going to check if you write the commas. Remember the commas, they are written when we start a new period. So where is going to be the comma in this one, Gabriela? Where we're going to write the comma?
In the 3.
Okay, between 3 and 8, right? Here it's going to be the comma, that's right. Excellent. So we write it here and the same here. 1,000, so we write the comma here. We'll finish number 2.
Today's 25.
Today's 26. Khaled, okay, Khaled, you're going to be the first one. Tell me, 73,826 minus 1,508.
Okay. 6 minus 8 is 8.
It's 8, that's right. Excellent, because we have 16, right?
Yeah.
We have here 16. Okay, sorry.
Then
1
1 minus 0, 1.
minus 0, 1. Excellent.
8 minus 5, 3.
Is 3. Excellent. You write a comma. Great.
3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus
Minus
1.
1 is 2. Excellent.
And then 0 minus 8, 0, 7,
7 minus 0,
7.
7. Excellent. How do you read this number, Khaled? 72,000
22,030,
318.
318.
Excellent. Valerie, did you finish number 3, Valerie?
A little bit.
You almost finished or you
Yes.
haven't? Yes?
I almost finished.
Remember to write a comma. In this case, we're going to write a comma here because we have 95,276 minus 3,461. Who finished number 3?
Hey, Caleb.
Khaled. No, let's give the chance to someone else. Check your answer, Khaled. You have it. You have the answer that's correct, so put a check.
I finished the 3, Miss.
Anna. Okay, Anna, you're going to help me with number 3. Hannah. We have, okay, then Isabella, you're going to help me with number 4, Isabella. Number 3, let's see, Anna, tell me.
6 minus 1 is 5.
Excellent.
1.
1, 7 minus 6, 1, great.
And that's the 2.
That's right, we're going to cross number 2 because that number is going to become which one?
12.
It's 12, and number 5 is going to become, because he kept 1, it's where we're grouping.
8.
4, or 4. Okay, now 12 minus 4.
Wait. Eight.
That's right, we write a comma and we continue. 4 minus 3.
1.
1, excellent. And 9 minus 0.
9.
9, excellent. That's great. That's your answer, Valerie. That's the answer that you got, 91,815. Yes, Isabella is your answer. Lucia, yes.
Caleb, yes.
Excellent. Khaled, that's your answer. Perfect. Now let's see, Isabella. You are going to help me with the next one. 71,685 minus 4,233.
5 minus 3 is 2.
Mhm.
8 minus 3 is 5.
Excellent.
6 minus 2 is 4.
Perfect.
And you add the comma. Then 1 minus 4, but you can't do that. So you're going to take 1 from 7 and it's going to be 11.
That's right. That's going to be 11. And number 7 is going to be
6.
6. Excellent.
So 11 minus 4 is 7. And then 6 is 6.
How do you read this number, Isabella?
67,452.
Excellent. Excellent. That's your answer, class. If you finish number 4, that's the same answer that you got. Aramis, yes. Lucia, Valerie, excellent. Khaled, excellent. Okay, now Lucia, you're going to help me with the next one, Lucia. With that one that says 83,691 minus 41,045. And then Donnie.
1 minus 5 is impossible.
Yes, we cannot subtract 1 minus 5, so we need to regroup. So which number is going to become number 9 and number 1?
Number 1, 11, and number 9, 8.
8, that's right. We regroup. 11 minus 5.
Is 6.
6, that's right. 8 minus 4.
4.
4. 6 minus 0.
6.
6, that's right. We write a comma. 3 minus
Comma.
1.
2.
2. And 8 minus 4.
4.
It's 4. Excellent. How do you read this number, Lucia?
442,646.
Right, 42,646. That's your answer, class. That same answer of Lucia?
Mm,
Or not?
yes.
Yes, Hermes. Yes, Khaled.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent,
Yeah.
Rebecca. Great. That's the answer. Danny, you're going to help me with the next one. Remember, we need to write the comma. 69,366 minus 16,725.
6 minus 5 is 1.
Mhm.
6 minus 2 is 4.
Perfect.
3 minus 7, no. We have to
To regroup,
regroup 9, 1, and we have 13.
13, excellent. 9 is going to become
8.
8, excellent. So 13 minus 7,
Mm,
6.
6, that's right, 6, so we write a comma. And we have now 8 minus 6.
let me think.
2. It's 2.
2.
2, that's right, Danny, 2. And now 6 minus 1, Danny,
5.
5, excellent. So how do you read this number, Danny?
52,641.
Excellent. That's your answer, class, the same answer of Danny? Yes, Khaled. Yes, Valerie. Sian, Hermes. Great. Excellent, excellent. Camila, Joshua, that's your answer, Joshua? Marcelo?
Yes,
Yes.
this is my
No.
answer.
Marcelo, no, you have a different answer? No?
I know you understand this.
You don't understand this exercise? Okay, I'm going to explain one more time. Here we have one subtraction, 69,366 minus 16,725. We need to subtract this. Remember, Marcelo, we start with the ones. We start with these numbers. 6 minus 5. What is the answer of 6 minus 5? We can subtract it. It is 1 because 6 is more than this. 6 is more than 5, so we can subtract 6 minus 5. We continue, 6 minus 2, 4. 4, 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now we are here, we have 3 minus 7. Can we subtract 3? Imagine that you have three apples, Marcelo, 3 apples, and you are going to subtract from this 3 apples, 7 apples. Can you subtract 3 minus 7? No, right? So we need to ask, for 1, so in this case, it's going to be 10, for 1 to the next one, to the partner, to the classmate that is close to you,
And
you're
4
going to ask for
7.
1. So you are not going to have 3, you're going to have 13 now. 13 apples minus 7 apples. In this case, yes, you can subtract 13 minus 7 equal 6. Now, imagine that the person that gives you 1 is Santiago Chavez. Santiago Chavez was the one that gives you 1. Now, Santiago doesn't have 9. Now, since he gave to you 1, he is going to have just 8. You 13, and he's going to have 8. So now, Santiago is going to subtract the 8 apples that he has. 8 minus 6. We can do it, right? 8 minus 6 equal 2. 2. And you continue. Camila has 6 apples, so 6 minus 1, it's 5. Yes, we can do it. She doesn't need to ask to somebody else. Yes or no, Marcelo? Or I can explain one more time, or any other question, somebody else. No? Okay, it's clear, Marcelo, yes? Valerie?
We have another exercise.
Yes, we're going to copy more. Did you finish to copy this class?
Yes.
These 6? All of you
No.
finished?
No, Miss, I have 2. Miss, solo me faltan 2 y termino.
Okay. 1 minute to copy, and then I'm
Solo
going
las
to change.
respuestas, solo son las respuestas.
Oh, just the answer. Yes, 1 minute. 1 minute to copy it, and then we go to next slide. We have more. So you can practice more to subtract. Remember, in some cases, some subtractions, we don't need to ask to regroup, like this case. If you notice, we subtract that it was made by Isabella. 5 minus 3 equal to 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. But what happened with 1? We cannot say 1 minus 4. We can subtract 71 minus 4. But if we are just 1 by 1, it's going to be 11 minus 4 and 6 minus 0, 6. Okay, questions? Questions, did you finish? Rebecca?
I don't have a question, only look at I finished the copy all.
You finished to copy all of them? Okay, excellent, excellent, Rebecca. Mia, did you finish?
Yo voy a terminar.
Valerie?
Can be the third one. No, other exercise.
Okay, you're going to be the first one, yes.
I finish.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Let me clear here. Let's go and copy. Here you have, copy all of this. So if we don't finish in the class, you need to finish. You need to finish in your house to practice. You practice the subtraction. Remember, you need to write a comma where it's supposed to be the comma when we start a new period, when we start the thousands. For example, number 1, we have 67,000, so it's missing the comma here, 482, minus 3,652. So it was missing the comma. We need to do that. This presentation is already on Schoology, so there are more examples, more exercises of subtracting. So if you want to download it and continue working, practicing, you have more exercises in this presentation for you to practice. Remember that tomorrow I'm going to ask you the table of 8 and 9. So you should study the table 8 and the table of 9. That is your homework.
That 2 means
Yes, the 2 of them. Ana, Santiago Chavez, Rosa, did you finish the copy? Santiago Hernandez? No? Continue writing. Alberto? Valerie, did you finish number 1, Valerie? You said that you want to be the first one to solve this. Did you finish? The third one. You have the third one? Okay, the third one. Let's see, Valerie, tell me, what's the answer to the third one? Try to read the number. your answer.
6 minus 9 is impossible. So we have to.
We're going to regroup. We're going to have 16 minus 9. That's right. And 5 is going to be 4.
4.
What's your answer? 16 minus 9.
My answer was 7.
7, that's right. 7. Now 4 minus 2.
2.
2, excellent. 1 minus 4. We're going to regroup.
Yes.
We're going to have 11 and 8. 11 minus 4.
11. 7.
It's 7, that's right. We write the comma, we copy the comma. 8 minus 8.
0.
0 and 8 minus 5.
3.
3, that's right. Excellent. That's the answer. Excellent. So this, as Valerie, that is what you have to do in your note. So we're going to finish the class times over. So finish the copy. Remember, if you don't finish, you have this in school. So bye-bye. See you next class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Miss, I don't
Bye-bye.
finish. Only one.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye, Mia.